So hi guys. So for today's video we're gonna learn about how to build your first workflow automation inside the Zapify.io sub account. So first, go to the automation bar, click it. So here's the workflow and then select or click create workflow. You can either choose start from scratch to build your own process or select pre-built template for faster setup. So we're gonna choose select from template. Then choose template. This one. This one. So next is define your trigger, which is the event that start the workflow such as um, new lead or firm submission. This one. Then click save trigger. This one. And also you can add action that will happen after, like sending an SMS, assigning a task, or updating a contact. One, say for this example, this action WhatsApp, then click save action. So once everything is set, click save and toggle the workflow to publish to activate it. So this process allows your system to automatically handle tasks and follow-ups without manual work. Okay. You can click this if you want to publish it. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.